Okay, so now we are working the framework around our mushrooms. So we've anchored here and then created a double crochet and worked 5 more double crochets and then worked around the top of the mushroom as we did the base. We've then created 2 double crochets, a double treble front post. I know, I got it right. And we've worked that into the second double crochet of the 4 that we skipped in this row here when creating the base. So let me take you to where I am now. I'm just going to take that off there for a second. We're now working in a different colour. We are working in punchy pink, I think it's called. I may be wrong. I've totally forgot. So take your hook behind your mushroom there and just pull through as we did the base and double crochet, and then 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, and then we're going to do a double treble front post. So that's a double. We're going to double it again, so we have 4 loops. Then we're going to work in the 1, 2 second double crochet in the 4 that we skipped on that row, and you go through 2, 2, and then 2 again, and then it's just 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet, like so. So between there you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So yep, that's feeling nice. You can feel that there's a nice movement there. And then 1 crochet around the mushroom. Sorry, I'm having to keep moving the blanket because it keeps slipping off me. It's so flipping heavy. Ooh. It's nice because I'm very cold at the moment. I can't believe I'm wearing a cardigan. 1, 2, and we're just going to work it like that. It'll be all written up in the pattern for you to see. I'm going to try to explain it as I can, as best I can with it being written. But obviously the video will accompany it and it will explain the stitch placement a little bit more. So double, double, double. So 1, 2, 3, 4. From look at the base, and you should have 4 stitches you skip. So into the second one, go for the first 2, go for the next 2, pick up your yarn, go for the next 2 and the next 2, and then it's just double crochet to there, and it shouldn't be pulling down too much. Okay, and it's just a case of work your way along there, and then the next row after that is half trebles into the top to thicken out that layer. So we won't do a video on that one, so you'll work your way all the way to the end, and then it'll be just a case of working a double crochet going back. Okay, and that's that video for that one done. See you soon on the next video.